Oh, sorry. Ate Delma.
Hello, hello.
Ate Delma, pinanihabi ka no.
Hello,
Dito
nandito
kami.
na kami,
Very
hanap kami ng
festive.
maghanap tayo ng...
Sige.
Asa madali?
Murag lami man po nakita na ko itong dessert. Oh, murag lami po mag-dessert.
Hindi, asa man.
O ka na. Ito, Teo.
Wait now. Wala, taara basta asa.
Oh, nasa on the top, te. There's menu. Oh, yun ang aming sasakyan bukas. Good. Be careful there on the river, ha? Yung sasakyan namin yan bukas, mga kaibigan. Wow, kaganda ng view. Christmas na Paskong Pasko na talaga dito. Sige, agoy. Si ate nagtingin ng menu.
Wala man sila ko ang kanamar kalamar.
Tingnan mo sa ano.
Tek, ako ang madali ka na.
Aha. Sige, ikaw, te. Kung unsain mo, ako, okay po ko. Yes. Aw. Sige, agoy, na make sure. Natuwang-tuwa si agoy-agoy, oh. A boat, oh. Yan po ang Christmas holiday boat. Samante.
Ang dirita.
Be careful.
She's the one doing...
Okay. Samante, dirita na side or do na side?
Diri lang basta.
Dito tayo na side.
Ano sa wala din ka? Bibi.
Mommy, take a picture of Sparkle.
Oh, good. Nice.
Wala bili. Pwede mo tagal. Ay, sorry.
Mommy, look.
Oh, ang ganda ng ano, Tio, kahoy na may punong. Okay, nakagala mga kaibigan ang basurira. Walang basura ngayon. Okay. Ayan. Pwede tayo dito, Tio. Gusto mo? River Edge. Oh, pwede tayo dito. Mo request na dyan, no?
What's that?
Appetizer rata kay... Ay, more on guacamole man. Guacamole.
You know a place there's a chicken wings? Okay.
Sige, da.
Crispy wings.
Ano, oh? Crispy wing. Uy, napoy egg rolls.
Nasa egg
Ito ako,
rolls?
dessert.
Egg rolls dahil?
Ito yun to. Egg roll.
Oo, kabo egg rolls.
Goy?
Kami,
Oh, doon ra siya, te. Doon ra. Para tayong nagbabasa dito ng ano.
Dili naman sa gawas. Right?
Dessert mix. Mystic. Ay, nara. Birdie doon. Uy, cheesecake po.
I wish one minute.
Ano sa man, dirita?
Dili na naman sakay. Dili na
Ano, quick cup salad, oh.
Oo, napo.
Pwede ka ani, oh.
Dili gusto ko crispy wings.
Kana, oh, sige. Murag lami mag-cheesecake, te. Te, mag-request ta nga dito, ta. Ayan, oh. Ayan ang boat.
Wala, daming tao na doon naghintay.
Oo, punong-puno yung ano nila, te, oh. Coco Holiday. Oh, sige. Ayan na sila. Cruising under the Christmas lights. Sumakay na si Agoy-Agoy niyan kanina. Daylight. Stay right here, honey pie.
two.
Over there din, okay. Come on, honey pie. Pwede rata diriti.
You guys, we can't have anyone under 21 after 7 o'clock. It doesn't matter. It's posted right there.
Oh, what time now? Ay,
I know.
okay. No, hindi pwede. Okay. No, that's fine. That's okay. No problem. There's more place, okay? Di pwede dito ang mga bolelet after 7 p.m. That's okay, Goy. Okay. Next. Okay, take a picture.
Two.
Ate Delma, si hi te. Hi kay Ate Pinanihabi ka no.
Hello, hello.
Si Ate Iyay, nandoon lang si Ate Iyay
Good
nag-rest.
morning, everyone. Good morning. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
EIDC crunches.
Yes. Yeah.
Kanina, no? Diyan man sa or iba yun, no?
Iba yan. That's different.
Kami, baby.
Come on, Goy.
Ay, ang iyo.
What? Put it on your neck.
I just put it on my hand.
Oh, dito tayo kanina dumaan.
My hair.
Ibang ruta yun doon, te, oh. Oh. Okay, take a picture. Sige, take a picture diha. Oh,
Oh, it's easier. So that's, we didn't think that.
Yippee!
No, hindi, te. That is different. That's Casario. Yan yung Casario, Tina. It's been here long time since this was built.
Yeah. We never see it.
May mga professional photographer doon sa ibabaw, oh. Ang ganda kasi ng view from there. Ate, ganda ng view from there to here.
Oh, di rin may nagstay. Day, hang Hilton.
Ah, Palacio. Yes. Palacio del, no. Please put it in your neck, please. Sige na, sige na. On. Sige na. Oh, sige. So, malayo na? Malayo na? Oh, sige. Pwede po.
Ang tanaw na si Luis ka para makapsure ka na kay.
Oh, sige. Okay. Or ano kaya ti kung doon tayo? Cross. Ta. Let's cross. No, we can cross here, te. Or right there. Yeah. Goy, watch your step. Yeah. May mga souvenir, oh. Paninda. Ducky, oh, the ducky is still, ano. Nandun pa yung mga ducky. Akyat tayo, te? Sige. You can turn off the cam, Goy, to save the battery. Oh, nagtingin lang sila sa view. Oops. Uy. Mayroong pagkain na mess. You want me to do it, Goy? Okay, ito. Ayun. Dito kami Oy, the Grinch. She saw the Grinch. Oh, dito na tate akyat tayo. Oh, this is tomorrow? Okay. Oh, tingnan natin yung tingnan natin.
Can't drop. You have to drop the speed at 10 miles at a time.
Under fried steak, ribs.
Doon tayo kay para hindi ma-block yung ano.
Sweet tacos.
So, stay with us, honey. Nachos. Ito yung ilang ano.
Oh.
Gusto talaga kung minimiksakan talaga.
Oh.
Mga burger.
Corn dog. Na sila. Chicken stone.
Hi.
What can
Do
I
you
help you
guys
with?
have chicken wings?
No, we sadly do not. The only place that I know for sure that has it is upstairs and across the street. Upstairs.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, di mo ba yung gusto? Mas yung gusto ka?
Good.
We can have, what do you want?
Ikaw kay
Di ba kung sarap ko na appetizer? Masa may gusto ni mo?
gusto ko dessert ra.
Ay, she like dessert.
Thank you, Josh.
What dessert?
Where's the dessert? Naghanap kami ng...
The corn dog, oh.
Okay.
We can just eat.
I'll be back in 1 moment.
Okay, thank you.
I don't
Isa
eat
man ang dessert nila din, hindi. Sangria man yung drinks man yun.
What is it?
Stay-
The
stay-
sweet tooth.
Homemade peach cobbler. Huy, lami na! Peach cobbler, gusto ko
Yun na,
gusto ko
sige.
yan. Homemade
Sige ka na.
Texas brownie. Woo! Wow,
Gusto
that
ko
looks
mo.
good too.
Corn and cheese. Ganun sa mga pangbata, day. Mo din ito pang bata.
Ganahan siya ano.
Oh, sige.
Kaning...
Mama, I don't eat some.
What you gonna eat?
Sorry.
What you feel eating?
Mom,
You want only dessert or you wanna eat? You've been eating a lot already though. Hindi niya naubos yung food niya.
Oh.
that's why I don't want to eat.
Okay lang kote kay may romance ng sangria.
Ah,
Then I was
Gini,
gonna
oh.
go.
Corn dog lang.
Sige, sige.
Can you take me back to the
Corn dog.
room?
Asa lang ito? Lucky.
Can you take me back to the room?
No, we're not going. We're gonna walk around. Look. Busy man ang outside. Full man. Pangutan na sa di og may space ba sila?
Seats or
Or inside? Oh, we're four. Like, three, sorry.
3, and is inside okay?
Would be nice.
I don't have anything outside at the moment, and we have inside.
Yeah.
I have my inside-outside arbor. It's right next to the windows, but it's gonna be high top tables. Are you okay with that? Taller tables.
Height up.
As long as you keep an eye on it, yeah, it should be fine.
Okay. Busy dito. Grabe, parang... That's okay. Let's go. Follow the guy. Busy sila dito kay... Oh. Ate, pwede na natin kunin yung jacket natin dito sa loob. Doon na tayo. Ali na. Dito tayo kay hindi walang ingay. Ayan. Okay. You sit right here. Yeah, sit right here.
Like I said, just keep an eye on her. She'll be
Yes, she'll be fine. Thank you. Oh, para makita mo yung mga boat.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Kira ka diha, day.
Oh, dito na.
I don't want to wear my jacket. It's so hot.
Yeah, we will remove.
Day. Diri ka.
Oh, sige, Ting. I-remove na ito ng iyang kasi
Oh.
mainit na dito sa loob. Okay, take your jacket. Ikaw, take.
Lagi lang.
Murag. Okay, so let's put our jackets away.
What is it?
Okay, nang.
Mom,
Aha.
I don't eat some
Manong,
of
manong kasi sa labas, sobrang init.
Uh,
Oh, lamig.
Ina. Gracias.
Ano sa music?
Music, music.
Okay, give me your necklace. We'll put in the side, okay?
Okay. Gamay ro tanaw. Gamay ro kaunon lut kay pila ra ba? Hindi makaigless.
Okay. Mm. Oops, sorry.
no, this is scared of heights.
Okay. Dito muna kami.
Can you take this
Fidel.
one?
Oh, you can put it on the side, sweetie.
Anything
Fidelms. Nice. Okay, balik lang kami. Oh, hello, Mars.
Hello, hello.
Pinanhebi ka, no? Maria Linky Bar.
Yes, good morning.
Oh.
Good morning. Kain na kami mga Mars.
Oh, sige, kay mag-live na si Ate Pinay ni Habi ka, no? Mag ano na din ako pili ng ano ang aming hapunan. Thank you.